When you're making flank steak, it's all about the marinade. This is just a good, simple marinade. This is how I do it. So I've got a little chopped onion, our rosemary, garlic, and then I'll go in with some bold flavors like balsamic vinegar and soy sauce. Then our Dijon and salt and pepper. Give that a whisk, and some olive oil. A little trick my mama taught me is to kind of prick your flank steak. This will help it absorb that marinade better, and it also kind of tenderizes it just slightly. Don't say I never taught you anything. Now it goes into our bag, and then we're gonna pour our marinade all over. And you wanna get out all the air out of the bag. You want this to marinate at least 1 day. 2 days is even better, I promise. Not only is the marinade going to flavor the meat, obviously, it's also gonna help tenderize it because the acid in that vinegar is gonna help kind of break down some of those tissues. It's gonna be good. And because I'm so efficient, I did this one a day and a half ago. So it is marinated, it is tender, and it's ready for the grill. Let's go. Key thing to remember here is that you want your grill screaming hot. This steak does not take long to cook, so you want your grill really hot so you get good caramelization on both sides, and then it's ready to go. Once your steak comes off the grill, you want to let it rest for at least 10 minutes before you slice it. Y'all, it smells so good. Here's the thing about flank steak. It's very easy to see which way the grain on the meat runs, and we're going to cut against that grain. Oh, it's cutting like butter. Let me tell you why the flank steak is perfect for entertaining. As you can see, I thinly slice it, so you can get a lot of little slices, which means it stretches further. So in a way, it is a little more affordable than buying, steaks for each person. Secondly, you can make it ahead of time. You can marinate this 2 days in advance and then just throw it on the grill before everyone gets there. And because the meat stretches out so far, you've got some ends that are a little more medium well and some that are a little more rare, so you can please the whole crowd with one steak. You'll have some juices that accumulate as you cut. Drizzle those on top. Going in. That marinade is key. This meat is so tender, it would rival any ribeye. If you're looking for the perfect steak recipe that's fit for company, try this now.